This is just perfect.
Found one. This is what I've been looking for. It's an enormous tusker. He's got enormous tusks. And look at the length of those tusks. He can barely get his trunk to the ground, and the tusks are already touching on the ground. These are just like the ones I saw in Candy, bigger maybe. Actually, two animals here with big tusks, but the one is much bigger than the others. I want to get some close-up shots of this tusker.
This is a real find. Remember, there are probably fewer than 70 tuskers in the whole country. To find one in the wild like this is something really special.
Obviously a very successful little herd as well. There's babies of every stage. Watch those babies playing. They're so at ease, they're so relaxed. Tiny little babies, and they're fighting and tussling. They're young ones, they're so young. They're already testing their strength against each other. And there's another animal there. The tusker's big, but there's one elephant bigger than the tusker, but it's got no tusk, but an enormous elephant. Look at the size of him next to the tusker. He sticks out above. Wow.
I'm getting some great photographs. And with some luck, I might just get the money shot, a charging elephant.
A certain amount of jostling going on.
The bulls are competing for mates. With tempers running high, a charge may be imminent. And before I can decide on my next move, a situation erupts.
Oh, shit. Stay where you are, guys. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Tusker's coming to sort it out.
Now there are 3 deadly elephants in the mix.
It's like a test of strength. They're getting closer and closer. This is not good. This is not good. You're right in the way. Turn away, turn away. There we go.